Let us start with the part 2, that is cup. The material used is cast steel. So here we have both side view and the top view. Let us go to solid edge, click on sketch, select front view, draw the central axis, and then we'll draw a cup profile. Let us add the dimensions for the rough diagram we have drawn. From here to here it is 22.5, so we have to take the half of that value. From here to that point it is 45, and we have to take 45 by 2, and from that point to here it is 38, we have to take 19 as value. Select smart dimension, half of 22.5. From here to this point, half of 45. Here it is 19. Since the distortion occurs, let us mark the vertical value here first, that is 12 mm. Type 12 mm. Now we'll mark 19 mm. Height is here 42 mm, and from center to outermost edge it is shown in the top view, that is half of 65. Let us mark that. mm. From here to this point it is half of 65, that is 32.5 mm. The distance between these two lines is 6 mm. Now we are done with the cup profile. Click on return, revolve protrusion, click on profile, OK, click on the axis, enter 360 degree, finish. Here we have to make the grooves, so draw a circle of 10 mm dia and select the angle select the plane which is perpendicular to the previous one, and here also draw a circle of 10 mm dia. Click on return, select cutout, select the circle, OK, click on symmetric cutout and drag till it cuts out, and now select the other circle and continue the same. So we are done with the model. File properties, summary, title cup, project, document number 2, project name cup. OK. Before saving, go to tools, material table. The material here uses cast steel. Let's check that. Okay, material used is cast steel. Enter cast steel. Apply to model. File, save as. Name the file as part 2. Save. Now open new part. Thank you.